This is CaterCombi asset 3587, which is a Hobart Bonnet Equajet 10 grid running on 3-phase electric. The oven comes fully serviced and tested by one of our qualified catering engineers, and as standard is supplied with a 3-month parts only warranty. The warranty is extendable for up to a total period of 12 months. Please speak to a member of the sales team for more information. So the Hobart Equajet has all your standard combination oven cooking modes, steam, dry heat, combination cooking, with basic humidity control, adjustable fan speeds, as well as some quality of life features such as self-cleaning, rapid cool down. The self-cleaning uses detergent and rinse aid. Similar to a dishwasher, it does not require tablets, all within a very easy to use touchscreen display panel. This is a reverse hinge model, so it opens from left to right. As already mentioned, it is a 10 grid, so it takes up to 10 1x1 gastronome trays. Inside you also have a core temperature probe for core temperature cooking. A racked stand is also included within the price. If you do have any further questions about the oven, please get in touch on 01227 469 692. Many thanks for the interest.